Welcome to our travel journey. My name is Danielle, and did you know that in 2019, according to USA Today, that the average wedding was a little over $33,000? My mind is exploding how expensive weddings are nowadays. And you know, COVID-19 and the inflation nowadays has made that price a little bit higher. So these are my 8 tips to how you can save some money on a destination wedding. So you might be asking yourself, why should I listen to this girl? Well, I just had my dream wedding in Costa Rica with my husband less than a month ago, and we were well under the national average. So tip number 1 is going to be pick a venue that also has tables and chairs or things that you might need to rent that they already provide. We had our destination wedding in Tamarindo at the Pangus Beach Club, and they had a tent, tables, chairs, plates, everything you can think of, because they're normally a restaurant during the day that converts into a wedding venue at night. Tip number 2 is going to be with your wedding invites. Personally, I made a wedding website on The Knot the first week I found my venue, and trust me, you send that bad boy out and you'll, no joke, probably get at least 10 no's. And that's totally fine with me because it lowered our list. And when it came down to actually sending out personal invites, it helped the budget. Now, tip number 3 is gonna be a little controversial. So don't yell at me yet, okay? Just hear me out. It's going to be buying a wedding dress online.
Oh, hell no!
I know the shade, the hate, it's okay. I totally bought my dress online. It was literally $300 and I absolutely loved it. Fit me like a glove, and I literally only had to pay a little bit to make it shorter with the alterations. So Lulu's is where I got my wedding dress. Like I said, it was $300, and I also tried dresses in person at David's Bridal and in some other boutiques, but boutiques are so expensive and they overcharge you and nickel and dime every little thing. So that's just what I did. Take it or leave it, brides. Okay, tip number 4 for destination weddings are gonna be to cut out unnecessary things like groomsmen and bridesmaids. Oh, I know your feelings are hurt. I'm so sorry, but no, I'm not. Groomsmen and bridesmaids are definitely overrated in my opinion. Your friends will still come to your wedding and they're gonna be in the audience. I love every single one of my friends, but trust me, I don't need them right by my side. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to coordinate that and all the questions, all the hassle. People don't want to pay for a flight, a hotel, a dress, their own makeup and hair to get done. Trust me, just cut it out and just literally have you and your husband up there getting married, and it will save you so much time and so much money. So tip number 5 on the top 8 tips on saving money in a destination wedding is going to be cutting out wedding bands. I really don't think a lot of people think about this because it's just something you do. It's just traditional and what everybody asks you, right? Did you get your wedding band? What does it look like with your ring? Yada, yada, yada. But honestly, I don't have a wedding band. My ring is beautiful. I love it. And I just put my ring on my finger on the wedding day, and it saved me hundreds of dollars. Are you ready for tip number 6? This might be a little controversial as well, but honestly, we cut out the cake. I know, crazy, but we picked a meal plan with a dessert option, and we did churros. Ooh, why can't I say that word? Chimichurros? No. Anyways, I'll send a picture right here below with chocolate, and it was delicious. It came with the meal plan. We didn't have to pay any extra, and honestly, all the money I spent for my hair and makeup that day did not get ruined with the cake. Sorry, hubby, you ain't smashing the cake in this space today. Number 7 is gonna be picking a destination that you can easily fly to and from that destination point. Trust me when you're gonna be wanting to be close to an international airport. Nobody has time to fly across the world and then take a bus or take a train or whatever you're taking a few more hours to get to your destination. Make it easier on yourself and your guests. Don't lose luggage in between a lot of connecting airports, and maybe even try to do nonstop flights. Mexico, Costa Rica, those are the top 2 places that I would recommend, that a lot of international airports in America have nonstop flights too. Last but not least, number 8, doing your hair and makeup by yourself or having a friend or family member do it for you. Trust me when this saves you tons of money. I had to pay for a trial and the day of the wedding makeup, and it cost me $400 total just to have my hair and makeup done, guys. That is absurd, and trust me, if I knew how much it was gonna be, I might have wanted to do it myself. But you know, I understand if on your wedding day you wanna feel like a princess and you wanna get pampered.